Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to make a quick video giving you guys a little update on how the lawn's been doing coming out of winter and let you guys know what I've been up to in the lawn in the month of March. I was able to get started a little earlier this year in the lawn that compared to last year. We did get a good warm up here in the St. Louis area. Things cooled down a little bit, but nothing down into the freezing temperatures or anything like that. So we're good and trucking along here right into spring. Today is actually the first day of spring, so I'm excited that we're here. Spring is here and lawn care season's pretty much started. As you can see, at the beginning of March, I did do a little dethatch and mow on the lawn. The dethatching really wasn't dethatching the lawn. I just used it to really stand up the turf, rake the whole lawn with it, maybe remove some of the dead material in the lawn and other debris and whatnot, and just to help airflow in the lawn as well. And then the mow really wasn't cutting any grass. It was really just sucking up the debris I pulled up and cutting a little bit of the brown off the top of the grass blades as well. Now, I did get my first split application of prodiamine down as well. I put down my prodiamine 65 WDG and I spiked a little humic acid and RGS. I did put some ammonium sulfate in that mix as well, just to give the lawn a little feeding, about a 1/4 pound of nitrogen, nothing heavy handed, just to help wake the lawn up a little bit. And so far I'm really happy with how the lawn is responding and waking up from winter. I think it's improving and looking a little bit better this time of year compared to this time of year last year. So I think we're headed in the right path. If you're new to my channel, I did do a soil test and identified that this lawn had a really high pH, 8.3 actually. And last year I focused all my energy on getting that pH to start lowering, and I did do another soil test this spring. I'll be doing a video on the comparison of those two results in the coming weeks, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have more info coming out on that. So that's all I had for you guys today. Again, it was just a short quick update on how the lawn's doing, what I've been up to this month of March. I hope you guys are excited about the 2021 lawn care season like I am. It's going to be a fun one, and it's just always good to just get outside, start working with your hands out in the lawn. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all the support, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.